Hi, this is John with WTI, and I gotta say, hands down, this is my favorite dessert at the moment. This is the snack pack vanilla flavor. So between chocolate and vanilla, the vanilla just tastes great. So one of the things that I like the most about this dessert is just the whole texture. So the other day I just bought the whole pack and I put it in my fridge, and the texture of this is just awesome. It's like a little gelatinous, but it feels like soft, low on sugar. It's not so sugary. I have the situation that if something has a lot of sugar, I can feel it right in the moment, and it just maybe not my thing. But just having this guy, great flavor. You can feel the blood vanilla into it. It's not with 500 ingredients. It's made with real milk. You can actually feel like good quality of ingredients. Low in sugar. The texture just feels like a great, like a soft cream, and it just tastes great. You can feel I'm already talking like a kid about this. It's because I like it a lot. So this is John with WTI, and that was my point of view.